Good morning, Year 3, and happy 1st of May. We've made it all the way to May, 5 months into 2020. I wonder what will have happened by the end of May. That's an interesting question. Let's wait and see. So all week we have talked and talked and talked and sung and rapped and jumped and all sorts, our times table. So today you're going to do a test. Now, I need you to listen really carefully. This is not to stress you out. This is not to cause you any angst or worry. This is just a really good time to see which ones you've learnt really well and maybe which ones that you would still need to work on. So you need to be honest with yourself. You're only competing with yourself. It's like I say, it's about just having a check with how well you've done this week, and then you know moving forward which ones you still need to work on, which ones that you still need to practice, which ones you still need to revise. So like I say, please be honest with yourself, and you've got the copy of the times table test in your pack. You have actually two. This is the first one, then there's a second one. So maybe repeat it by yourself once a week, every couple of days, and just see if maybe you want to time yourself and see how many you can do in, say, 5 minutes. Start with the ones that you know and see how many more you can do. Be honest with yourself. You're not supposed to be counting. You're supposed to know them as a fact. So have a go. Let me know your scores if you want to. If you want to keep them private, that's up to you. But what would be really good is that you did this one as what we would call a baseline, your first time, and then see how much you can improve. I think you'll really impress yourselves and be really proud of yourselves how you can really improve if you keep it up. So, like I say, it's up to you how you do it. Personally, I would set a timer for say 5 or 10 minutes, and I would do the ones that I know. So for example, 2 times 2 is the first question. I do know that as a fact is 4, and I would go through the ones that I know. If I don't know and I can feel myself counting, I would stop and move on to another question and see how many, first of all, I could get out of those. How many do I know as a fact? If you know all of them, move on to the next one. And if you don't, see how many you do. Good luck. Enjoy. It is supposed to be fun, no stress. That's not what this is about, but it's really good for you to be honest with yourself as a learner. This is what I have learned and this is what I still need to learn. I do it every day in every way. What have I learned? What have I done? And what do I still need to improve? It's life. Have a lovely day. I will see you next week. Bye-bye.